Hello everyone. Let's dive into the KingBank 64GB DDR4 3600MHz memory kit. This kit comes with two 32GB sticks, clocked at a speedy 3600 MHz with a CL18 latency and operating at 1.35V. Right out of the box, the silver heatsinks give them a premium look, suggesting they're built for performance and cooling. KingBank is positioning this kit for a wide range of users, from gamers to office professionals, and even those using their PCs for PlayStation streaming. The large 64GB capacity is definitely geared towards users who need plenty of memory for demanding tasks like video editing, content creation, or running multiple virtual machines. Gamers who like to have multiple applications running in the background while gaming will also appreciate the extra headroom. One of the key features highlighted is XMP 2.0 support. This makes overclocking incredibly easy, especially for Intel users. With a compatible motherboard, you can simply enable XMP in the BIOS, and the memory will automatically run at its advertised 3600 MHz speed. This eliminates the need for manual tweaking, which can be intimidating for some users. However, the manufacturer does stress the importance of disabling any existing overclocking settings and restoring BIOS defaults before installing the new memory. They even recommend updating the BIOS to ensure optimal compatibility. This is a crucial step to avoid potential system instability. The manufacturer emphasizes the use of high-quality chips and multi-layer PCB boards in these memory modules. They also claim that each module undergoes rigorous compatibility testing. This focus on quality control is reassuring, as it suggests that KingBank is committed to providing reliable and stable performance. While it's impossible to verify the specific chips used without a teardown, the overall presentation and the emphasis on testing inspire confidence. The 3600 MHz speed is a sweet spot for many modern systems, offering a noticeable performance boost over slower memory speeds, especially when paired with a compatible CPU and motherboard. The CL18 latency is decent for this speed, striking a balance between performance and affordability. In summary, the KingBank 64GB DDR4 3600 MHz memory kit appears to be a solid option for users looking to upgrade their desktop's memory capacity and performance. The XMP 2.0 support, coupled with the emphasis on quality and compatibility testing, makes it an attractive choice for both novice and experienced users. Just remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding BIOS settings before installation to ensure a smooth and stable experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.